Guys, pinagputulan ng kahoy, oh. Look at that. Pinagputulan ng pang-bonfire yan. Handa? Bonfire. Ganda ng kahoy, oh. Bonfire. Ooh, look at the view. Wow. Ganda, diba, guys? Anong bundok, oh. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Philippines, kala Kuya Ning, kala Tidori, kala Shaira, kala Ate Sally, kala AJ, kala Ares, kala Lucel, kala Renz, kala Louie dyan. Sa anak ko si Shiro hindi nakasama. Go work. Tsaka may lagnat yung apo kong isa. Bye guys. God bless us all.